first mukbang video and we're eating KFC.
Got the $30 fill up. Okay, let's eat. I'm hungry.
Oh, this
I don't
this
know.
was a chicken.
That's a big.
Guys, since you guys
Look at
don't
this.
like it, I never tried it.
You like that, Kelly?
You wanna eat this? Okay, what salt did they have? Oh, I have.
The honey mustard.
Yeah.
I like it. I like their honey mustard.
I like any sauce.
Here you go.
You want to try it?
Smells.
Not good, but not bad.
Tastes weird. Here.
Kind of good, kind of bad. You paid for this. She is a broke.
Hey, you guys can tell me anything, okay?
No, she is just broke, you guys.
Mm-hmm.
And
Definitely
just,
broke. I don't know. Wait, how many, like...
No,
what if you just eat it by itself?
Could eat it by itself.
yeah.
This is big. Yeah, how many?
What's your GPA right now?
What's one of my GPA for?
Because I want to know.
That's your GPA right now.
1.0.
Dang. Oh. There's just like a lot of crust, but no
Crunchy part.
I don't like the crust part. There's like a lot of oil in there.
I like oil. My back is itchy. You guys eat so fast.
It has meat in it. But I don't want to use the American hot dog. It's too salty.
It's too bland.
I don't know like what, I don't know where it's at, but like here, I'll give it your finger.
I already washed my hands. It's okay.
Bye.
Bye.
See you on next video.
See you next time.